Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
And welcome to our little Wednesday update of how our week has been.
Yeah, so this is our Wonders Wednesday, week 6 of our van build. If you're new around here, I'm Steve, this is Cheryl. We've been, well, converting our Sprinter van for 6 weeks now. Oh.
It's not a Sprinter. It's a Volkswagen Crafter, folks.
Crafter van.
Steve's tired. It's the end of a working day, and what we're doing at the minute is, well, you work full time, I work 4 days a week. We're going to work, we're coming home, and at about 5 o'clock we're then back out. We're out the van for till 8, half 8 every night. We're putting the graft in because we want to go away this summer.
So this is our roundup of what we've managed to achieve this week, and as per usual, if you wait until Sunday evening you can see the full version.
Sunday morning?
What do I keep saying?
You just said evening.
Ah, Sunday morning of everything we've done this week in kind of full detail really. So give them a summary, what have we done, Cheryl?
So, first mission this week was the floor. So we'd got the ply floor down, fixed down, that was great. So then we spent a long time just filling the cracks, making sure any screw holes were completely sunk down, filled all that. Don't know if that was absolutely necessary, but it just felt good to know there was nothing was going to kind of poke up through the vinyl. I went and got the vinyl, should have gone in the van, didn't quite fit in my car, had to bend it a bit. The lady was a bit cross about that, but I told her, it doesn't matter. Most of it will not be seen anyway. You have like literally a small bit that's actually seen.
It's looking good.
And actually that went in really well. So watch the video, because we did do something a bit odd that might upset some people's OCD. But
we haven't got OCD.
We haven't got OCD.
Not an issue.
And we know it will be hidden with a beam. So yeah, that, and actually, touch all things wooden.
Wood.
It went in beautifully. So
speaking of wood, good link, good segue. We've started to do the walls. As you can see, we've got this section of the wall up, and at the back we've got some of the sections up over the bed and in the garage area as well. Started working on the kind of electrical board that's going to house all our Victron electric stuff, and hopefully in next week's video we're going to get most of that fitted and done, because as we'll mention on Sunday, we've got an electrician coming to help us, and he's coming a long way.
Yeah, he's
no joke. Where's he coming from?
He's coming from New Zealand. So my brother is moving to the UK from New Zealand. He's been there
many
20 odd years or so.
Yeah.
And him and his wife are coming over. They have got a van on order that they are picking up in Preston next week, and they are coming to stay with us for a bit.
So we're making use of him.
And he's a qualified electrician. Yeah. So we're like, oh, actually, if we just get everything ready, he can help connect it all up and test it all. So that is good. Yeah. And the other thing we did start was the step area. So we had a plan. Started
and stopped.
Yeah, and it was one of those jobs where in your head, we hadn't even really thought about it, had we?
No.
Well, you think about where I want my bed, my shower, all of that, and we hadn't really thought about what we were going to do with this step, and it just kind of evolved. And then we're like, oh, what about if we do this, order that? We got the bits we needed, started measuring. It was about 9 o'clock at night. We hadn't had dinner.
Yeah.
It was hot. So we just shut the door and left it. So that's a job to finish this week coming.
We've got a plan. We think we know what's going to happen.
Yeah.
But
and if it doesn't work out, we try something else.
Lots of jobs. This is probably our fault. I don't know. We seem to start lots of jobs, but don't actually finish lots of jobs. They can get a bit done and a bit done. But I think sometimes you have to do that so you can progress. But now we're starting to get to the point where we need to finish jobs so we can carry on with the next bit.
Yeah, but there were things like the wall here. Obviously that piece of wall wasn't essential, that bit went up, but I was doing something that meant Steve couldn't work in that area of the van, so he was like, oh, I'll have a go and start having a trim out of that. The kids were here, so they could help, because actually I don't actually know how you do this on your own. You'd have to do little bits.
It'd be hard.
It'd be really tricky.
But it'd be hard, and good luck to you if you do it on your own.
Yeah, and it meant that I could kind of have a real, like, spend a really good amount of time filling and sanding and making sure all the exposed screw holes are going to look really nice. Some of the others that you'll see in the video, don't judge, but we know they're going to be hidden, so I'm not wasting loads of time making those look all amazing, because it takes a long time.
It's our van is our way.
Our way, yeah, definitely our way.
So,
so
that's where we are. So we'd just like to say a big thank you to all our new subscribers and our older subscribers and everybody who watches our channel, because it's gone absolutely mental this past couple of weeks on YouTube. It's been brilliant. Thank you so much.
And you've really annoyed the teenagers in the house, which is great, because they're like, do you talk about anything other than YouTube? Because your phone pings like, oh, I've got another comment, oh, so-and-so needs to know about this, where did we order the strips from, where do we get this from? And the kids are bored of it.
Yeah,
so it's
but
great.
We're not. We love it. So thank you very much.
And they're moaning at us for always being on our phones, which is quite funny.
Which is ironic. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. Catch up with us on Sunday
for the
morning
full vid at
for the
7
full
a.m.
vid at 7 a.m. for week 6. Yeah, appreciate everything you're doing, taking your time to watch us, like and subscribe and all that. Ding the bell. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.